So here we are at the award-winning HiDiamond stand. Those of you who saw the award that we picked up at Hi-Fi World in Bristol a few months ago will recognise this name. In front of me now is the brand new, just released at the Munich show, is the HiDiamond HDX3 mains. It features a built-in oscilloscope, which isn't actually just for show, which is a nice feature of course, but it actually has a very practical function. The filtering is quite a step up on the HDX2, which has been available for some time. On the rear we can see the outlets. Obviously our model that we have on order will have the UK outlets available. We're quite excited about this product actually, because the original HDX2 was quite groundbreaking. You can see that it incorporates the display from the HDX2, which obviously shows your input voltage, and then on the oscilloscope it shows you the voltage timing and any variations. Quite remarkable, and we will be arranging a review on that very soon indeed.